The available power folding second and third row seats in your Hyundai PALISADE Limited or Calligraphy make it simple to configure your vehicle for passengers, cargo, or any mix you choose. For the features shown in this video to operate as depicted, updates will need to be installed in your PALISADE. If you are enrolled in BlueLink, the update can be downloaded and installed via over-the-air updates. If you have an over-the-air software update alert, please follow the on-screen instructions to install. If you are not enrolled in BlueLink, you will need to enroll in BlueLink to have this over-the-air update installed, or you will need to go to your authorized Hyundai dealership to have the update installed. Before folding any seats, be sure to remove any possible obstructions from them and unbuckle any seat belts. Power seat folding will not operate when the seat belt for that seat is buckled. The tailgate cargo area has a control panel on the left side that can be used to fold, unfold, and adjust the second and third row seats. The control panel is only operable when the liftgate is open and the seat belts are unbuckled. The top left button labeled All can be used to fold and unfold both the second and third row seats. Press and hold it in to fold the seats, and pull it out and hold to unfold the seats. The bottom left button, when pressed and held in, will raise the second row seats and fold the third row seats. The button labeled Second Third controls the functions of the remaining switches. When set to second, the seat back and seat cushion controls will operate the second row. And when set to third, the controls will operate the third row. When passengers are seated in the third row, they can control the seat back, seat cushion, and heated seats with individual controls on both the right and left panels. You can also fold and unfold the second row seats on the seats themselves. To fold the second row captain's chairs, tilt the seat back angle switch forward until the seat back is vertical. Then press it forward and continue holding it forward until the seat folds flat. To bring the second row captain's chairs back to the upright position, use the seat back angle switch on the seat itself by tilting it rearward and holding it there until the seat unfolds. You can also move the second row seats forward to provide easy access to the third row seating area using the walk-in mode feature. On both the top and the side of each second row seat are the walk-in access buttons. Pressing and holding either button will tilt the seat back forward and slide the seat forward for easy access to the third row seating area. Pressing the button again will move the seat back to the home position. Once in the home position, be certain to move the seat back and cushion using the seat back recline lever to return to the seating position. You can also control some functions of the second and third row seats from the touchscreen. Select Seats on the touchscreen. You can control seat warmers and ventilation. You can also control the second row seat cushion and seat back angle. When folding any seats, Hyundai recommends moving the seat belt to the outboard position and securing it to prevent any interference with the seat or with cargo. For more information on the features of your Palisade, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at My Hyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to visit HyundaiHowTos.com, My Hyundai, and the Hyundai USA YouTube channel for more helpful videos for your Hyundai.